Hey traders, quick update on Vechain. It's up 8% in the last 24 hours, now trading around $0.0076. So, is this the start of a bullish run or just a trap? Honestly, it's too early to call. If this move comes with strong volume and holds support, we could see more upside. But if momentum fades, this might just be a quick pump before a pullback. Also keep an eye on Bitcoin, because when BTC moves, the whole market follows. Stay smart, don't chase, and let the chart confirm the trend. What do you think, breakout or fake pump? Vechain crypto trading signals are in, solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.